What's up, you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. Look, today, man, about to go ahead and restore this 2019 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. All right, you guys already know, I'm working on that candy purple Dodge Charger right here. I'm about to show you guys what we're about to work on right now. Oh, right there sounds so good, man. Yeah, y'all see it, man. Hey, look, if y'all don't know, the 2019s and up Scat Packs, they come with the BGE blocks already. Yeah. You guys saw, look, as y'all can see, it's the 392. Man, look, we got to get a new fender, upgrade the hood, and we got to get obviously a new front bumper. And right now, we're about to go ahead and get a window. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all love stealing. I keep on stealing, man. Something going to happen to you one day. Keep on doing that shit. Keep on doing that. Y'all see, boy, I'm in that Black Panther right here, man. Look, hold on. I want to show you guys something real quick. Look at this, man. I'm changing this. I want to show y'all something, man. Hold on. Y'all see them red guts, man? Look, this is what I want. Go ahead and give them a little red. Yeah. Yo, listen, man. Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all something, man. Boy, I can't wait. I can't wait till my joint is hooked up, man. You feel me? I just can't wait. But yo, we finna goddamn, you know, maybe cut up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Bring something to y'all, you know what I'm saying? You know, got them back there, you feel me? Be cutting up, boy. Already. Hey, right there, boy. That 6'4" right there sound good, you hear me? It just got a little purr to it. Cutting up, man. Hey, oh, I can't wait. I can't wait till my joint is big, boy. Oh, I can't wait. That sounds so damn good, man. That 6'4", boy. I ain't gonna lie. That 6'4", boy, sound different than the 6'2". I don't care what nobody say. Ain't gonna hit that thing again, bro. Yeah. Acting crazy right now, man, on my soul. We already got the window for this Dodge Charger right here. Y'all already know, still working on this, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna get him right. You know what I'm saying? He gonna get the black wrap, you know what I'm saying? Well, a little spadazzle on there. I can't tell y'all too much. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, but this thing gonna look nice when it's done. Show you guys right now, man.
Yeah.
You ready for your wide body, man?
All right, man, we about to get in there, man. About to go pick this thing up, man. It's about to be crazy. Stay tuned. Hit that like, subscribe button, man. And yes, sir.
Yeah, so we're gonna see, man. There you guys. So, about to wide body his Mustang. You know what I'm saying? His first wide body. You know what I'm saying?
BBL Mustang. BBL Mustang.
As you can see, man, this is the wide body kit. But the box looks good. You know, just doing a walkthrough, you know what I'm saying? Make sure there's no damages on the box. Looks good to you?
Yeah.
All right. So
dirty, man. Yeah.
he's gonna do an unboxing on his channel. So if anything's damaged, y'all see the box is in good shape. So it's not on the shippers, it's on y'all. You know, he got his whip right. You know what I'm saying? It's another day. You know what I'm saying? What you got done to it, man? What you got done to it?
What we got done to it,
Yeah.
thanks to my boy Trey. We got us a nice little front bumper on her now. You know what I'm saying?
This right here came from bssparts.us. The link is gonna be in the description down below.
Shout out to BBS.
BSS.
My bad. Shout out to them. We got it wrapped so far, you know what I'm saying? We're going with the all black. We blacking it out. We're gonna put some forged carbon on here. Right now, what we working on is the hood. We need the hood to come in. We waiting on that. Who we getting that from? We getting that from
bssparts.us, yes.
Yes, sir. bssparts.us. Waiting on the hood. We might have to go slide out to Vegas to go get it. It's up to my boy Trey. I'm just waiting on him. You know what I'm saying? We're going to take the hood off of that and slide out there. Pretty much, we're just waiting on the hood, finish up this wrap. And shit, baby. And excuse my language. And she going to be ready. You know what I'm saying? As far as the inside, oh, man. I'm gonna get a detail first, you know what I'm saying?
We got a detail. He decided to mess it up.
Yeah. I was outside being fast, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get this interior right. I can't wait for my boy to get his red insides too, purple with the red insides.
Oh yeah, the red interior is coming.
Oh shit, right now, shit, we small shit. Get that dash shit. Definitely need to get that dash shit. Trey want me to rip the whole thing out. I'm trying to take a shortcut. Y'all let me know in the comments what should I do. Should I take the shortcut and hit the upholstery shop and see if they could patch it up?
Talking about that right there.
Or should I just go ahead and snatch the whole dash out and spend some good money doing that?
Hey.
And that's not no regular dash. You see the stitching on that. You see that's that leather.
Yes, sir. They say this ain't no cheap interior, man.
Right. So I'm a cheap person though, you know what I'm saying? I love to budget. That's why we go to BSS, you know what I'm saying? We get it for cheap, good quality, you know what I'm saying?
Man, as you guys can see, got the whips in the back. You know, about to get it right. And if you guys do know, boy, they hooked me up with a transmission. But you guys are going to see that in the next video. He's ready to see this engine build, though.
We brothers, you know what I'm saying?
He's ready to see this engine build.
Can't see it. I want to be a part of the engine build, transmission rebuild, all of that. You know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir.
I want to be a part of it.
Like, y'all see the whips, man. Come on. Whips clean.
And we finished our car club, but we don't know what it's going to be yet, you know what I'm saying? But I know we're going to be a team. We're going to all come together, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Dodge Charger with the Demon hood. He's about to get the red eye hood. He about to go all black. You guys stay tuned and see the rest of that video.
Thanks to my boy Trey, because I don't know if you guys seen what it was like at first, but you see what it looked like now, and it don't look nothing like that. It's beautiful now. I get a lot of compliments, and they loving it, so I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, my boy Trey.
Ain't no biggie, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you guys, like I said, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned to see these builds. Sorry, guys, the footage that I made at the end of the video got messed up, so I'm doing it right now. But also, you guys stay tuned because I did take off my front bumper again. I'm about to do a whole complete different design in the front. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that so you guys can see that. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.